got a situation where we're doing a repair along this curb, and the pipe is directly next to the curb wall. A traditional funny L, we cannot get it to turn around. It's going to hit the curb wall, so that's out. A good fix that we've come up with the Blu-Lock product is we put a male adapter in first, and then this is what's nice. He's using a slip pop-in elbow. Work the Blu-Lock pipe in. Now we insert the head on the Blu-Lock pipe like so, and we can set this head at the right height like so, and backfill. And we have just repaired a head situation. Look how slick that is. A repair made easy with Blu-Lock.